this, okay? If it, I mean, it is like a condition, so I have to butify it. No, how many things you will butify like that? There will be n number of things. Learn the reason so that it will be in your brain, okay? Observe, okay? This is the reason for that one. So here there will be compile time error to us as what? The same thing. Cannot reference a non-static variable. Yes, from static context area or static context, okay? Now let me go and execute this one. Before I go for that one, please let me brush it once, okay? Please let me brush it. What is that? What is that? We cannot access. Cannot access them means what here? Instance variables, okay? Instance variables, okay? Them, okay? Instance variables, okay? Them refers what? Instance variables, okay? Within the static area we cannot do access them within the static area, okay? So what's the reason for that one? First, which flow will get execute? Static control flow. As part of this static control flow and instance control flow, okay, identification means what? Going and getting the knowledge about them, okay? So if it is encountering a statement int s equals to double line means it will understand, oh yes, this programmer has declared one instruction, I mean he has written one instruction which is the declaration of yes variable holding a value as what? Minus triple line of type what? Primitive int, and which category variable it is? Instance variable. Like that it will come and it will identify each and everything, okay? As part of first static control flow, it will identify which variables and which methods, which category variables and which category methods. Static, okay? Static variables and static methods. So as part of do we have any static variables within this class? No static variables within this class to us. So next, what is that? Methods. Within the method we are having one instruction, okay? Yes, it will identify and it will come for checking of this methods instruction, okay? Within this method we are having one instruction. That instruction is having the accessibility of what? Instance variable. When the instance variable will get identified by JVM after completing first static control flow, then it will come for the instance control flow. So before I do have the knowledge about that instance variable, hello mister, how can you do access this one? So that information it is intimating to us through this compile time error, okay? What is that? Cannot reference non-static variable from static context area or from static area, okay? This is the moral of this particular concept, friends, okay? Simple thing. Now let us compile and execute this one, okay? And okay, now okay, let me first compile this one. Let me bring up this compile time error, okay? Simple thing. Observe here, simple thing, friends, okay? Observe here, okay? Now observe here the same piece of code, okay? The same piece of code, okay? The same piece of code, okay? Whatever we have seen over board, okay? Let me take out all of these things. What is that? System dot out dot print ln, okay? System dot out dot print ln. Let me put this one as what? Yes, okay? Now yes, so you are going to get same compile time error. Observe here, let us go and compile this one, okay? What is that? Java C tester.java. Why? The source file name is what? Tester.java, okay? Let me put enter. Observe, what is that? Non-static variable, okay? Yes, cannot be referenced from static context. Observe here, the meaning is same, friends, okay? Cannot reference non-static variable, anything, but the meaning is same and the reason is the exact reason. What is that reason? first static control flow will get execute, okay, and as part of the static control flow, identification of static variables and static methods will get happen, okay. Observe, then only instance control flow will get executed by our JVM, okay. So it is helping, compiler is helping. My JVM will not have that information. If I generate the dot class file and if I make available that particular dot class file to the JVM, so let me rectify that one here itself. So it is treating this one in that way and it is giving compile time error to us, okay. Now observe here how to avoid this compile time error and how to access this particular variable, okay, particular instance variable, friends, okay. How to access it? Simple. How to access means observe here, okay. Observe here. What is this? Class A int s is equals to minus 999. What is this? Public static void main, okay, void main string args, okay. Now how to access this one, okay? How to access this one means observe here, I am going to give one statement to you guys, okay, one statement to you guys. What is that means? Observe, these instance variables will get identified only at the time of object creation, that is when they will get create when these variables will get create at our memory at the time of object creation, okay, object creation. So first let me create an object so that internally these variables will get identified by our JVM. So no issues, right? That's it, the simple trick, okay. First create an object so that these variables, instance variables int s equals to minus 999 will get identified by our JVM. No issues. After that, on that reference, access them. No issues, no restrictions to you, okay. Up to here, how to create an instance for this class A? Class A new A. So what is going to get happen because of this new memory allocation, okay, because of constructor execution and instance control flow, this instance data member or this instance variable will get identified by our JVM and that will be the part of our object, okay. Yes, okay, it will be having one reference. Now what is the underlying object type here? Capital A. Based on the constructor we have to tell it, okay. Now let me get assign that one to one of the reference variable of type what? Capital A. Why capital A only? Means we have seen the reason about observe here, what is this? Int I equals to 9. By default 9 type is what? Int type. About this literal only int type variable can understand. About you only you can understand a lot, or else your parents, okay. So even I can do put here as what? A double, getting a double. What's the super parent for int double? So that's fine. I'm using a variable name which is having name as I and having a type as what? Double. Simple reason, okay, simple reason. Now observe this one, okay, observe this one. Let me get assign this one to A1. Let it be 9F. What is the type here? Capital A. 9F both are same, okay. So we can tell dereferencing. Yes, it has been identified by the JVM. Now I want to access that one. These will get create at object creation and where they will get stored at heap area. If you want to access anything available at heap area, okay, at heap area, okay, then you have to access them by using reference variable name. If you are writing that code within the static area, friends, if you are writing that one within the static area, okay, if it is like this, okay, if it is, and this is what static area. Now void m1 method, now this is what non-static area. What I have said that, what I have said, if you are accessing instance variable and you are writing that accessing code within the static area, means you have to do that one by using what? Reference variable only, otherwise you cannot access. Through the object only you have to access them, because they will get stored at heap area, okay. Observe here, okay, because of this is what instance and this is what static, okay. So here you can put what SOP as what, yes, okay. Now how to access that one? SOP of A1 dot, yes. So what will be the output here? Minus 999, no restriction, okay, no restriction. So how to access them? How to access that one, friends? Within the static area we can access them within the static area by what? By creating the object. After creating object, they will get identified by JVM internally. Getting? That's why we have to access them, even within the static area by using reference variable, okay, very specific thing, okay. Now how we can tell that? We can, okay, we can access instance variables within the static area, okay, by using object by using object, or else you can just spell object. What is this? Objects are reference variable only, right? A1 is what? Objects are reference variable only. That's why I have written that statement there, okay. By using what? Objects reference variable, okay, okay. So no compile time error to us, okay. So no compile time error to us, it will get compiled successfully and gives the output to us as what? Minus 999. Try to observe here. Now I am going to execute this small piece of code. Observe here, just a minute, friends, okay, just a minute, okay, just a minute, okay. What is that? Let us create A1 is equals to new A, okay, A, okay. Now, okay, now let me put A1 dot, yes, okay, let it be this one as what? Minus 999. Let me compile. No compile time error. Observe. Now let us run that Java space main method corresponding class name. Okay. Let it be as what? Java space. Yeah, it will give minus 999 as the output to us. Observe this one carefully, friends. Okay. Observe. Yes, minus 999. Okay. Minus 999. Now observe here one more thing. Okay. One more thing. Okay. Observe, when these variables are creating at the time of object creation, okay, so and they will get destroyed at which time? At the time of object destruction, or at the time of object destroying period, okay, at the time of object destroying period. So what is the life of these particular variables? It will be exactly similar to whom? Object. Until object is available, okay, they will be available. Till object availability, they will be available at memory. When object is destroyed, they will get destroyed. So we can tell one thing here as what? Their scope means what? Life. So instance variable scope is exactly similar to what? object scope. Okay, what is that? Observe here, observe here. Okay, what is that? Their scope. Okay, their scope means what? Life. Okay, will be exactly, okay, will be exactly similar to object scope. Okay, similar to object scope. Observe here, the best example for that one which we can use a simple thing. Observe here how I can use for that one. After the, yes, observe here. Okay, observe, if I do put this one as what? If I do put this one as what? Okay, first before I go for that one, observe here. Now how to access this m1 method within the main method? This is also what? One of the instance method. How to access this one? Instance method also within the static area. You have to create an object, then only you can do access. Both for variable and for the instance method, the same thing. Okay, I will give one important thing. Okay, one important thing. Observe here. Okay, observe here. Okay, we can access, okay, we can access static, okay, static methods directly within, okay, within another static method. Okay, it is directly means no object reference, friends. Okay, no object reference. Okay, no object reference. Okay, now observe here, if you want to access instance methods within the static area, that is within another static area, what you have to do? Instead of variables, and spelling here as what? Methods. If it is like methods means the same thing, instance control flow type, only JVM will identify instance data members or instance variables and instance methods. If you want to access instance methods within, okay, if you want to access instance methods within static method, means you have to create an object, and on that object reference only you can do access. Okay, observe here. Okay, if you want to access, instance methods, within another static method or area, then you can do, then it should be done. Okay, then it should be done by using, what? Object reference only. Observe here, instead of method we are discussing with variables. No issues, it will get work. Okay, now what is the other one means? Can we do access static members within the instance area without any object? Can we do access? Yes. Why? Because first which flow is going to get execute? Static control flow. Later instance, right? After identification only I am going to access what? Static things within the instance. So no restrictions to us to access what? Static. Okay, no, what is that? No restrictions to access static members, members within, within another instance method. Okay, you can do access directly any static members within the instance area. Okay, and what is the other one? We can access an instance member, that is a method, directly within the another instance method without any object. Okay, observe here. Okay, we can access, what is that? We can access instance method. Okay, instance method within another instance method directly, and also along with this is possible for instance methods and for the instance variables. It is possible for both the things, for instance methods and also for what? Instance variables. Okay, please make note of these things. Okay, it will help you a great. Even you can check all of these rules by taking a code, your own code. Okay, now okay, now let me show the execution part of this one. Now what is this instance method or not? How to execute this instance method code? You have to access that one within the main method or not? Yes, we have to access that one. What is that? If you want to access instance methods within another static area, then it should be done by using what? Object reference. And this can be also customized as what? This also applicable for instance variables. Okay, instance variables. What is the reason behind all of these conditions? Means only one thing. What is that? First static control flow, then what is that? Instance control flow is getting happen. Okay, that's why these all conditions are applicable. Okay, observe here. Now how to access that particular method here? Simple thing. How? A1 dot m1. Okay, now put some SOP statements. Hello, I'm from m1 method. Okay, I am from m1 method. Okay, now so which thing we have understood till now? Their scope is what? Will be exactly similar to object scope. After object destruction, they will not be available to us anymore. Okay, they will get destroyed after object creation. Okay, now let us see this particular program execution. Okay, program execution, and we'll go for this understanding their scopes. Okay, their scopes. Okay, now just let me go and compile this one and execute, so that you should get hello. What is that? Hello, I am from m1 method minus 999. Okay, without no restrictions. This way of accessing is satisfying which rule here? Which rule, friends? This one. If you want to access any instance method or a variable, that should be done based on or by using what? Object reference. So you have created an object reference and you are accessing m1. M1 method is what? Which type of method? Static method or instance method? It's an instance method. No static keyword here or a modifier here. Observe here. Now you will get hello, I am from. What should be the output? Hello, I am from m1 method minus 999. Observe, friends. Okay, it will get happen perfectly, and we'll go for understanding this scope with small piece of code later. Okay, observe. Okay, now let me compile this piece of code. Let me write that piece of code. What is that? Let me take out this particular statement. Okay, what is that? Void. I have taken that system.out.println statement. Void m1 method. Let us write a system.out.println. Okay, hello, I am from. Okay, hello, I am from what? From m1 method. What is the other one? System.out.println. What is that? Yes, direct access. What is that? Instance. What is this one? Observe here this part. Okay, we can access instance methods or instance variables within another instance method directly, no restriction. Okay, what is the reason behind all of these four conditions? Means first, what is that? Because of instance control flow execution first, and static control flow execution as the first one, and instance control flow execution as second one. Than that, nothing, friends. Okay, now observe here. Now let me compile and execute that small piece of code. Okay, what is that? We are accessing this particular instance variable within this void m1 method, or else let me put this code here itself. Okay, observe here. Okay, and this is what? m1 method. Okay, I hope you get this one. What is this? m1 method, and this is what? Static main method, public static void main method. Now let me call that one a1 dot m1 method. Okay, m1 method. Okay, observe this one carefully. Let us compile this one. It should get compiled and it should get run successfully. Yes, compilation is successful. Let me run this one. Okay, it will give the output as what? Hello, I'm from m1 method and minus 111. Okay, getting, friends? Getting? No restrictions. Okay, I hope you get this one. Okay, now observe here. Let us understand the scope thing. Okay, now let me put this one as what? A static method. Okay, static method. Okay, static method. Okay, static. Now let me take out this one. Let me take out even this one. Okay, now think that I have created a1 is equals to new a1. Okay, now if I load main method, this code will get create, and there will be object creation, and here that will be as what? S equals to minus 999. After that code, after this code, of course, one second. So after this code, can I write here like this here? a1 dot, yes, no, you cannot write. Okay, why? Because means object will have the scope within this method only. Okay, about this scope will get understand at local variables. Okay, just make note of this one. Okay, about the scope you will understand exactly at local variables concept. Why? Because I have to make, of course, if you are having knowledge, definitely you will get this one if I do explain, but some of we guys will be having a little knowledge in this one, right? So let them get update. Later we'll going to discuss that one. Okay, now only this one is pending, guys. Okay, only this one is pending. Now let us discuss about one more important thing as part of this particular instance variables. What is that? Observe here. Okay, what is that? Let me know one thing from you guys. Okay, from you guys. Okay, think that we are having a class called B. Okay, a class called B. Now if I do write a statement, here as what? Observe, what is that? New B. Okay, b1 B. So because of this one, an object will get create, right? And underlying object is what? B. Let it be 3f. This is going to get stored within the variable called b1. So both are same, so referencing, okay, the same thing. Okay, till now whatever we have discussed. Let me know from you guys one technical what we call that meaning for this one. Okay, just you just spell to me. Okay, what does this statement refer to us? Okay, let me know, what does this statement refer to us? This is what this represents. Please let me know, what does it represent? It represents just a primitive data type, literal, or a value, or user defined data type value? I have given choice also. It represents user defined data type value. What is the user defined data type here? It is B. That B type skeleton is available here. Getting? It is what? User defined data type. I am going to use this one, okay. I am going to use this one. Observe this one carefully. I am going to use this one, okay. Now let us go for that particular statement, okay? Let us go for that particular statement. What is that statement means? Observe. This is not statement, friends. It is the internal implementations of these instance variables. These things will help us a lot at the time of our own code writing. If you want to develop your own logic, means these things must and should be in your brain, okay. Now observe, okay. Observe. What is that means? What is that means? Here this is called as what? Declaration, right? This is called as what? Declaration. A declaration of what? A variable of type what? Primitive int. This is what, friends? This is what? A declaration, okay. A declaration of a variable, okay. Declaration of a variable of type what? Primitive int, okay. Now because of this one and this one, what is happening? Initialization is getting happening, okay. What is that? Initialization, right? Initialization. Hello mister, I just want to do declaration. I don't want to perform initialization. Yes, you can do, no issues, okay. If you are a very logical thinker, then definitely these thoughts will get arise to you, right? Now I just want to perform what? Declaration. Yes, do it, no issues, okay. Observe. Int, yes, just the declaration, okay. The statement should get end with a semicolon. That's why I have put what? Semicolon there. Yes. Now observe here, okay. Observe here. If I do access this instance variable within the static area, okay, by using a reference name, okay, what will be the value? Simple thing. I didn't initialize any value to this variable. Getting? I'm not initializing any value to this variable, but you'll get the value, okay. Observe here. How to access this one? A1 equals to new capital A object creation, okay. And now observe here, SOP of what? A1 dot, yes. If you do compile and run this one, okay,